The fire tower in Helena that we're restoring today dates back to the 1870s.
The community is always referred to it as the guardian of the Gulch. The town itself was built primarily of wooden structures. Communities were very cognizant of what a fire would mean to a community like that.
Fire was an everyday part of life. It was a useful part of life in the 1860s and 70s, but it was also very dangerous.
They'd station somebody up there to keep watch.
All the things that we have today, they didn't have that then. They had a bell and they had a tower and they had a guy in the tower ringing the bell. That was it.
Well, in the summer of 2016, the fire tower sustained significant damage from an arson fire, and it was very clear something needed to happen. Dick Anderson Construction stepped forward based on their experience on such historical structures, and the fact that they're a local firm just made eminent sense to us.
Our vision is DAC is always part of the solution. Projects like the fire tower to us in our communities, helping out with that is really part of the solution. It helps the city out, helps the whole community out, and so that's why we're so grateful to be a part of projects like this. I mean, the guys came up with some really innovative ways to do some of the structures and fitting the pieces in there. You know, one thing that behind the scenes not a lot of people are going to know about, but all those timbers came from Mark's Lumber in Clancy. You know, they're all locally sourced timbers.
As a symbol of our history, the fire tower is unmatched because early Helena was built and rebuilt after fire after fire after fire.
The fire tower represents the resilience of Helena. Helena's had some difficult times through history, not only with fire, but it has always fought back.